first step, you'll want to create an imaginary title for your newspaper and add a date. Also, think of a headline for your article, something related to your topic. Next, you're going to enter your story. Consider what your teacher has assigned to you and make sure your story reflects your understanding of the topic that's been assigned to you. Type it in the box. After your story is complete, click Generate. You'll see the image above change. To save this image, you'll want to right-click on it or two-finger click if you have a touchpad. Select Save the Image and give your image a name. The final step is to go back to your assignment, click Insert, Upload from a computer, and find the file you've saved and position it into place. That's it!